Hello, Year 8, and welcome to the second assembly to half term 3. It's great to be back, and I hope you're all well, and hope you've all had a great week since last we spoke. Now, I've titled this assembly If, and there's a lot of points that I want to kind of put across, I guess, but largely it's about participation and engagement. And I've thrown these pictures together, and every single picture really is trying to put across about participation and engagement. And I'm quite sure if you was to have a conversation with every single person in these images and listen to their thoughts and engage with that conversation, I'm sure you would get an understanding of how it is that they've managed to succeed. I'm quite sure that every person, whether it be an artist, sports player, movie star, or even everybody that maybe have even travelled or gone away and engaged with their environment, I'm quite sure that they will have taken something from that makes them that little bit more successful. So if we are able to participate with the people around us, with the tasks, with our environment, with the jobs, I am sure every one of us would succeed. Now, from last week, I put out a couple of bits of information from what I gathered from various teachers, and hopefully people have managed to engage. But if we continue to develop, and if we continue to be on time, to make sure that we're in that lobby, be punctual, if we're able to maybe even give our friends a nudge if they're not there to say, come on, let's get involved. If we're able to hand in our work and submit to show and demonstrate how amazing you are and how amazing your work is. If you're able to be consistent in logging in 5 days a week from 9:10 till the end, because I'll be there. If you're able to continue to contribute and engage with those lessons, and the more people do, the more you'll get out of that lesson as much as everybody else. And if you're able to continue to develop just like that, we will be amazing as a year group. Now, with regards to this assembly, I'm going to leave you with this poem, If, by Rudyard Kipling. And hopefully you'll take from it, you'll engage with it, you'll listen to some of the key points that are being said. And I am sure if we're able to listen and take on some of these points, not only will be amazing at school and online learning, but you'll be amazing just in life.
If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build 'em up with worn-out tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss, and lose and start again at your beginnings, and never breathe a word about your loss. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they're gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it. And which is more, you'll be a man, my son.